Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on your CashApp. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you're a shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars by getting the Amazon Prime subscription. If you like to not save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. As you look to the middle of your screen, you're gonna see the Amazon deal and the Amazon Prime trial right there. So you can find the link in the video description. I highly recommend this subscription because it can save you a lot of money and you can cancel anytime, which is a huge privilege, guys, to try something and cancel anytime. So check it out, guys, and let me know how it goes. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to block someone on your CashApp. First, we're gonna open up CashApp. So once we open up CashApp, we're gonna go on this main screen right here, guys. So make sure you look on the bottom right hand corner where you're gonna see like a circle and that's like two arrow in it. It's gonna look like a time clock. And make sure you tap on the circle right there with time, a circle with two arrow, one pointing up and one pointing on the bottom. So make sure you tap on that circle right there. Once you tap on that, you're gonna get on this main screen right here. So since you're gonna block somebody, the best thing is you look on somebody that you're gonna block. So example. So I want to block this person right there. So you click that. Once you already put the person that you want to block, make sure you tap on the, as you look on the upper right hand corner, you're gonna see the triple period right there on the right hand corner. Make sure that you tap on that. Once you tap on that, you're gonna get on this screen right here. Once you get on this screen right here, make sure that you select block this person. So I'm gonna block this person, and they're gonna ask you want to block the person, and you say block. So the person is blocked, and that's how you block someone in your CashApp. If you have any other question, leave them in comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find in my video description. As I said earlier, it's a way for you to save money. So I highly recommend it for you guys to check it out. And thank you for watching.